Hello everyone, today I will guide you how to make cookies. First, add 1 cup of butter into the bowl. Next, add 3 tablespoons of sugar into the bowl. Add another cup of cream cheese into the bowl. Next, whisk the mixture until it's smooth. Mix until it becomes smooth like this. Then smooth out the mixture. The next step is to add 1 cup of flour into the mixture. And whisk it all up, everyone. Ready to use it. And once again, whisk it all up. Now, let's put the Oreos into the mixture. Remember to break the Oreos into small pieces. And make sure to use 1 whole Oreo cookies. Now mix the mixture well. Now let's move on to the next step. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and wait for 30 minutes, everyone. And of course, after waiting, take out the mixture and start shaping. Ta-da! Finally, let's pop them into the oven. Bake the cookies at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And then flip them over and continue baking. Cookies are fresh out of the oven. And here's our final product after baking. Let's dig in and taste this masterpiece. It's very delicious, everyone. I hope you all can create delicious batches of cookies just like this. Sharing the joy of baking is what it's all about.